Mueller fam.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today, I am trying to. Sorry guys. I am trying to film a video each and every day for you guys. And today, to not make it boring or anything, let's do a. What should we do? Well, I've been thinking about this a long time, and I know what we're gonna do. So, you can see my gloss, you can see the phone. Well, if you want to know what we're doing, well, then we are going to do my favorite fidgets tour, but just 5. I mean, my top 3 favorite fidgets, okay? So this is getting deep. So, yeah. So, let's get into this. So, my first favorite fidget is this DNA ball. Very squishy, very me. So fun. I love it. Look at that. So satisfying. So, this is my first favorite fidget. My next one is my Orbeez, like almost like clear green Orbeez, green grapevine, which is a rare. There's a red grapevine and a purple grapevine, but not a green one. And I finally got it. So there's one, but like it's really rare and it cost a lot of money. So I got it. So satisfying. Probably one of my all-time favorite fidgets, but this is like some fidgets that I really like, and maybe they're in my top 10, maybe they're not. Look at that. That's not the most satisfying thing you've ever seen. Then you're done. Like, it is so satisfying right now. That's so satisfying. And then the last fidget is one of my very favorites, and it is a poppet. It's my butterfly poppet. Here, let me show you. And then here's the good side. That is really good. And go downstairs. And that is so satisfying. And I hope you enjoy this video as much as I do. I mean, I hope you did enjoy this video as much as I did, because it was very fun. And you can see I like poppets and stress balls. And for my birthday, my sister told me that she's going to get me a stress ball and a poppet. She's thinking of like a Neato or something. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.